But if you close your eyes.
Hello everybody, Francesco's here. I am a teacher from Language Exchange Group. You can see what I'm talking about in the description below. I will be your Italian teacher for the rest of the course. Today we're gonna talk about a real special topic for you natives. I heard a lot of you making these mistakes, and today we're gonna solve a lot of them. My kind of lessons is divided in two parts. The first one is explanation, when I'm gonna explain you the arguments with examples. Then we're gonna go to exercise part. I'm gonna give you some exercises. I'm gonna write down below in the description, and you're gonna do that and post in the comments below. Be wise and don't cheat. Let's start. Today we're gonna talk about pronouns. It's a really hard topic for non-natives. We got 8 different types of pronouns in the Italian language. And that's why nobody wanna learn Italian though. Personale, possessivo, dimostrativo, indefinito, relativo, misto, interrogativo ed esclamativo. Today we're going to talk about 3 different types, so I've got enough time to explain you what you need to know about these 3 types. Then I'm going to make another video about this. I'm going to complete the section. First of all, we're going to go to pronomi personali. But where we use pronouns? I pronomi vengono usati generalmente quando non conosciamo il soggetto di cui stiamo parlando. Well, make an example. Io lavoro tutto il giorno mentre tu non fai niente. Or, another example would be, qualcuno ha visto i miei occhiali? In those sentences, we didn't know exactly what the subject is, so we put the pronouns. Again, go 3 different types of personal pronouns, pronomi personali. The first type is the strong one, that means always the subject. When we use these, we are already referring to a subject. Io, tu, egli, noi, voi, essi. Then we've got the other 2 types that are a bit weaker because we don't use them for subjects, but for complements also. Well, they are me, te, lui, noi, voi, loro, mi, ti, lo, gli, ne, ci, vi, li, ne. Well, I'm gonna make some examples. Don't forget to comment down below if you find something difficult. I'm gonna explain you better. Also, I remind you to check out our website of Language Exchange Community. You're gonna find every information and lesson you need. Well, but when we need to use pronouns in Italian? Well, it's easy actually. Pronouns usually take place of a noun. Tutti credono che io menta. Well, actually, we are using a pronoun. Tell me where. Right there, when I say io menta, they're not referring to my name actually, but they're using a pronoun. The pronoun in this case, the personal one, is gonna take place, it's gonna substitute something like things, name, animals. Something is not really clear. Lei non si è neanche fatta viva. It takes place of the name of the girl. The second part of that pronomi personali is the complemental way. It's about pronomi personali complemento. Where does it take place? I'll make an example. Per quella parte hanno scelto me. Where is it? It's right there. Hanno scelto me. Me is a pronoun affiliated with complement. Doesn't have a function of a subject. Mi hanno scelto per quella parte. It's the same exactly thing. There are a few rules I'm not going to explain you in this course because they are a bit specifics for Italian names. I make advanced courses later. You're going to see how detailed it is. I pronomi possessivi, they are a lot important. In our languages, they are fundamentals. Mio, tuo, suo, nostro, vostro, loro. I'm gonna make a few examples. I firmly suggest you to repeat things after me. La tua casa è più grande della mia. Il tuo gatto è migliore del mio. That's actually mine, yours. And the last one we're gonna talk about today, pronomi dimostrativi. Well, that's actually really cool to learn. To indicate something to someone is like the step forward for us after the pen is on the table. It's like that pen is on the table. Questo, quegli, quella, quello. When can I use them? If you're referring to feminine and masculine, or singular and plural. Well, if I'm talking about singular, I'm talking about quello or quella. If I'm talking about plural, quelli, questi. The difference between these two is actually questi means something is right there, right here. Quelli, I'm referring to something that's far away from me. Well, I think that's enough for today. Thank you for watching my video and for following Instagram pages of Language Exchange. I remember you to subscribe in the YouTube channel and activate the bell to receive notification. Follow us on WhatsApp, where is the main group, where we're giving lessons daily and talking to natives. We are waiting for you. Thanks for joining. I remind you once again to check daily the website, it's full of news. Da Francesco è tutto, buona giornata, al prossimo video.